How tall is a 50-pound CO2 tank? Or how tall is a 50-pound CO2 cylinder? Generally, they are 46 inches tall, okay? But as we mentioned in other videos, not all tanks are the same. Some tanks are steels, some are aluminum, some are short and fat. Some are skinny and tall, okay? Just like people. I have to be honest here, okay? I want to make a joke out of it, but I also want to be straight up with you. So every tank is different. The manufacturers manufacture them differently. Now, there is a general spec that tanks have to follow and should follow, but some tanks are as old as 1901 or 1930. Those tanks may be different, the steel ones, than the newer aluminum today. So that's why we say generally 46 inches tall. However, we have seen some that go anywhere from 40 to 42 inches tall to 47 inches tall. We do have, and we have seen, short, fat 50-pound CO2 cylinders. Those ones are in the 40 to 42 range, okay? Because they may have been other tanks that are now certified for CO2 or whatever. Maybe they were designed that way, who cares? But you want to know the information? This is the information. So case in point, generally, they're 46 inches tall, give or take a couple inches. Now, to let you know, where are you measuring the tank from? Okay, some people will measure a CO2 tank, a steel one, with the cap on it. The cap's going to add another 2 inches, 1 inch, whatever the case is, depending on the type of cap. Okay, generally the tanks are measured from the valve, the top of the valve to the bottom of the tank. The aluminum ones, they may have a handle on it. Some people may measure from that handle to the bottom. That's another inch or 2 inches, depending on the type of handle. So all of these things matter. Again, generally 46 inches is how tall a 50-pound CO2 tank is going to be.